Hello everybody, today I'm going to be making braided pork chops, and I'm going to start with the ingredients. Over here I have 6 pork chops that I'm going to be using, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. Over here I have 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, 2 eggs, the salt and the pepper, and I have the bread crumbs over here that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to start by putting 1/4 of salt in the egg. Just a little bit right there. And just a little pinch of black pepper right there. So we're gonna mix the egg in here. And now we're gonna put the heavy cream and mix. And we put it to the side. So now I'm gonna be rinsing the pork chops in cold water, and then I'm gonna dry them with paper towels. Okay, so now I'm gonna dry the pork chops. And you see they're real thin. They're not real thick. So we're going to dry them real good. There's one. Okay, I finished drying the pork chops, so I'm gonna mix the salt and the pepper here. So we're putting salt and pepper on all the pork chops. If you don't find the breadcrumbs, you can always use flour, and you just season it. You can always put powdered garlic, powdered onion, salt, and pepper. And the last one. And you can always do this first and then put it in the fridge for a little while, and then you do the egg. I have the pan warming up over here, so I'm going to be using vegetable oil. Because we're going to be frying the pork chops. So our vegetable oil is warming up over here, and I'm going to lower the fire probably to medium right now, and we're going to let them warm up, okay? I'm going to be putting the breadcrumbs right here. And these ones, I put them in the blender because I want the flour. I don't want the crumbs to be too big. If you can see, there's a difference. So I want it to look like flour. You can always use flour. So I have it right here, and we're going to leave it there. And I have the egg right here, okay? So we mix it real good. So first, I'm going to put the pork chop in here and the egg. And then it goes to the flour. And after this, we fry it, okay? So we have the oil right here, and it's already hot. And we put it here. We do the next one. Put it in egg first. And then in here. And we shake it. And bring it to the fire. Put it like this, right? And when the other side is already golden brown, we can do the turn. Still need a little more. And we don't put the fire too high. That way, you know, it can cook slowly. So I think this one is ready to be turned. You see the color? It's golden brown, and it smells real good. With this Italian breadcrumbs, it smells real good. Let me check this one if it's ready to be turned. I think it is. It's a little more. Okay, so this one is done. Did you see how it looks? So we're gonna put it to the side, right there. Let's check this one. So this one is done too. So I'm gonna get it out and put it to the side. So we're gonna do the next one. Goes in the egg first. Okay, I'm gonna put the next one. Okay, so this one is ready to be turned. It's already golden brown. Okay, this one is ready. This one is ready to be turned. So we turn it. Oops. Okay, so this one is done. Take all the grease out and put it right here. And it's a little bit more. This other one is already done too, so I'm gonna remove it and put it over here. See, I always clean the oil over here because all the bread stays in the bottom of the pan and it burns. So clean it up, and then we do the other ones, and we're done, okay? And what I do over here, I get a paper towel and try to clean all the grease, all the extra grease in here. Like this. There you go. Okay, so we're done, and they look like this. Oh, almost falling. It looks like this. So I'm gonna be serving a plate, and I already put my rice over here. I'm gonna combine it with rice, and I put it in a little plate so that way it can come out like this. So I'm gonna put a piece. I'll put this one. Like this. And this is the way I serve it, and maybe you can put a little salad on the side if you want to. And I'm gonna cut it so that way you can see how the pork chop looks when you cut it. You see? Okay, so I finished cooking all the pork chops. So I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe.